Alright guys, so I want to give a shout out to Shay Daydrick on YouTube. Go over there, show her some love, subscribe to our channel, tell her see I interested in you, and help get her to 1K. Just help her to grow. She have videos like hair tutorial, skincare routine, try on all. Just go over there, show her some love. As me say, in a costing nothing to subscribe. I'm gonna put her link in my description box and I'm gonna pin it in my comment section, so just click it, go over there, subscribe, tell her say Ian just send you, and just show her some love. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with another video. I look crazy right now. Yeah, this is a clay mask. Them place here sweat a lot. Me hate it. Me don't know what, guys. I mean, alone sweat, so me sweat right here, so right here, so right here, so right here, so everywhere else good. Here so good, here so good. Me don't want to see people sweat right here, so. But good morning. Today is a beautiful day. It's a Monday, and I want to run a couple errands. Yeah, because the bills them due today. I did a vlog on Emancipation Day. Me not feel it. Me really not feel it. I might take out 1 or 2 clips from that day and put it in today's vlog. Me not sure yet, but me just want to start off fresh. Me never did I do much. Me just did a like cool talk with it and all of that. So I might just take few clips from that vlog and put it in this vlog and make this vlog a nice vlog. But first, me have to straighten up the place because Mega left Jason for babysit today. Today is his day. Me always the one with the kids them. Alright, so I'm gonna put on your phone because I'm tired. Thank you for the kind messages. I went on live and I spoke about that, you know, in regards to everything, to the video and all of that. Thank you for the kind messages. I really appreciate it. Thanks for the love and the support. I read all the messages and I feel better. Just now I feel much better. Just one of them days there where you just can't put words together to explain your feelings to nobody and all of that. And sometimes you really have a problem and it's just for you to deal with, you know. The advice is good and all of that. It makes you feel better. You know, you have 1 or 2 ideas in your head, but really and truly, whenever you have an inner problem, you have to just sort that out real quick and get back to work. Like me have to get back to work because I cannot sit and waste time. My sister and me is still there with me. I carry them home and then back to come back. So I carry them back. I love kids. If you know me, you know I love kids. And them love family time. Them love to play. Them love to talk. Them just love family time. And if you have your phone, them tell us that, oh, you must put on your phone and all of that. So yeah, I'm back to work after this vlog. Then you'll get vlogs regular. You'll get video regular. So today is Monday. When you see this vlog, just know that I won't ease up after this. I won't. Too much days pass on menopause and it really make me feel uncomfortable, you know. Make me feel like me now this something me feel do. Alright, so I have something to tell you guys, but let me just brush my teeth, wash my face, and then come back because I need to make breakfast after. So maybe just ride and whistle. Alright guys, so this is what I wanted to say. So the video that I did about me not feeling okay, when I'm to put it, so whole heap of people reach out to me. I really appreciate it. When I did open the messages, because I try to open everybody message, I try to answer to everybody. If I not answer to you, I definitely gonna come to you I realized that people messaged me like long before that and I didn't even see them and I felt so bad. I replied to people who messaged me from like April, you know. What I want to do is for the people them where start them business or need promotion, send me your products. You know, send me a product and I'll give you a free promotion. Realize enough people not have any money, and even if them have money, you know, I could just feed them family or feed themselves or pay bills and do all of that. And it is understandable, trust me, I understand, because me falling in them situation enough time when I only have my bills money, you know, and life a life, and this whole pandemic make things slow up and enough people get one little money and flip it, and them stuff them I admire. Like if you get a little piece of money and you flip it, I admire you. So enough people go buy all 110 underwear. Enough people go buy up them look at this, buy up them look at lip gloss, start them look at ear care, them face care, anything. You know, them just start up something, and me love that. I'm not gonna lie, I love it. And when I go through my DM, my sister, enough people text me like, Andrew, me start my little business, you can give me a promotion, you can do this, you can do that. And even if them didn't want to pay or them never want to pay, my answer is yes. Yes. So go ahead, send me a product and I'll promote it free of cost, no money. And I think that is fair enough. I'll put my address in the description box. Yes, so you can send it to the post office, and feel free to message me on Instagram and ask me for the address as well. Go ahead, go over to my Instagram and check my highlight, whatever that called, the highlight thing down the bottom, and you will see it there. So yeah, go ahead, do that, and I promote you. I saw another message with this lady. Well, I'm not even sure. Well, yeah, with this lady. I think she's from Portmore. She do chemical. She did reach out to me. I lost that message. So if you're watching this, please message me back. Went on her Instagram. I didn't get to reply to her, but message me if you see this. So I'm gonna get them breakfast. Guys, from me and Jason talk, I first me ever see Jason eat like this. You know that, babe? Oh. Me never see you just sit down so and put your food out so like that.
Oh, me normally eat.
You normally they right there so eat on the table.
I mean, I talk with the table there.
No, but you never normally.
How you say no?
You never normally sit like that. Baby, you just look like country. You're country.
The man a country, is it?
And it's in a hot. I first me ask them something here.
The food that's what it's
Me I carry 1 3. Babe, is it 3 cheese patties or babe, listen to this. Is it 3 cheese patties or 3 cheese patties?
You know the right thing, so where the hell I don't know.
Alright, let me ask. Look, Jason, I know the answer to this, babe. Is it 3 packs of bread or is it 3 packs of braids? Answer.
With the lace front.
Babe, answer. Jesse, I don't know. Admit it.
I'll tell me, Miss Emino.
Alright, answer now. In braid, you know, so.
3 packs of braids.
Excuse me.
At this part, you don't give me none of them as the option. You know, so when me say make sense. So when you did say, wrong.
Look at me if you left out go run errands. Babe, what am I going to do today? Me have to pay water, pay the light bill, pay the floor bill that is due. Pay. Me have to go pay the floor bill because it's due today. I wonder how much money. I'm going to pay last month bill, of course. And I need to put on gas money because the gas pan not feel normal. And I need to get few snack for them kids. Mommy gonna, I need to say mommy because mommy gonna give me something for them.
Oh, so you go carry them?
Yeah, I might, I'm not sure. Might. Yeah, that's it. That's about it for today. Nothing extra.
Oh, what? Let me tell you, say, we penny baby fling it down, so. Look what they end do with the nose. Red up in nose. Where you give me, I'm gonna protect you.
Babe, why you even exaggerate?
Because I'm like that.
Guys, make sure the teddy bear on the floor to spread the bed. Alright.
You see, no matter how you say, no matter how you say, you look for something for validation now.
No. Since I don't want to be harsh. Where's the bracelet that I bought you?
No, bless her.
The Aquarian bracelet.
Babe, that old and that should be.
No, it's not old because see my one right there.
Babe,
So
mine
new.
old and rusty.
No, I wear mine more than yours and it cannot rust.
What you have to tell me,
The belt are leather.
So, alright.
The top is stainless steel.
Since you want to talk.
Where's the belt that I bought you?
Which
The
belt?
belt I'm buying for $4,500.
You buy the belt for
Yes, with the something on the front. What did I wear?
They in there, so.
Where?
So, hold on, we start to play where buy you?
Where?
Alright, I make you talk and then me flack them.
Where socks them now when I buy you? Where you lost off? Every time Jason goes somewhere, him not coming with no socks. He not come on back with no socks.
Left your people, yeah.
Wear blue and black towel there when I buy you a sinus towel, a special towel for your sinus.
What you try win?
Because I'm have sinus and I buy my special towel.
No, what you try to do? You still can't go in the fox and buy you one baby. Because we not none
So,
and
babe,
they so.
Babe, I'm going to solve a problem.
What if you lock the door? If you lock the door, I'm not going to see it.
No. Since I buy me one baby, I'm going to take care of it. I could use my next method. You don't have to buy me this time.
What you try to do?
You give me for free. Come now. You know what I do?
You don't know that mean that?
Yes.
You love juice too much. Babe, drink water.
I cut out that whatever. Hey boy.
Hey, sometimes she try to be gangster, it does cute. You just look like a little.
Yo, I watch a beer. I watch a... Yo, I watch a beer. I watch a beer. What you cry for? Wipe the tears from your eyes. Razor.
Yeah, me done. What you like to do for real?
Because you want to give me one baby. Guys, look on this a little teeny teddy bear on my bed now. You can imagine? I'm a big old teddy bear round this up on bed. Because them a cry feet and a fluffy cushion them. Me make them come up here and roll me. Roll. Guys, all now I'm in a bed to leave out. I did I go try look like a girl today, you know? Just like a nice little girl. But outside dark, it's a go rain. Not today. But did I say, alright then, make me wear one like a nice dress, you know? And look cute with one nice brown slippers. That not work out today. Them jeans are nice, the material nice. Nice bad. I have one more with the material like this, but the foot have some stringy. But do you want to look like a girl to the door? Always I wear t-shirt. Guys, I have white t-shirt for kill. I should think I have more white t-shirt than Jason. Okay, imagine that? And but something about Gap, white Gap material feel good. I have a whole heap of white t-shirt. You say black? Don't even get there. Black? I love t-shirt. Wear dress when me in a one good mood. Like me have to feel classy and nice to wear a dress. Alright guys, I am ready to leave. Look at my little puff. Guys, my hair grow back fast. Like the other day when I did cut it, it could have catch up in a one. But because I made it do it, the back did short and curly. So if I did forever like put like conditioner in there or anything at all, it just curl up and drop out. Eco gel could have worked, just could have worked. But now look at it. I'm proud. And you just feel so healthy. Like even if I let it out, it just full of body. You know, just cut the hair if it want go. And I not only cut it for that the reason they alone. It did kind of damage. And I did cut it because of that, but I cut it for another reason too. I don't know if I go ever talk about that. But I might. But yeah. I don't make no baby hair rain I go fall. When rain I go fall, I don't really cute up myself. I just need to get my handbag and leave out. Go do what I do. So yeah. my phone. But yeah, it's time for me to go. Guys, let me tell you something. I'm already sorry for the painting them already. Because Jason around there on the phone, you know. And I gave them one bag of stuff for drying up. Make sure just to give them a picture for draw. Just to give them emoji for draw. Just to give them money for draw. I'm sorry for them. I want to go hear them. Jason, I'm tired. Whoa. Oh my God. How we that?
Probably not even get it.
Draw, emoji, and we. This is my sister one. Sweet, eh? Oh God. From Jason here. For the money. Uncle Jason. Yes, sir. Uncle Jason. What did they give it to them to draw? Uncle Jason, you need to do a better job, you know. May I leave out now? You need to do a better job. Guys, Raina Drew. Need my umbrella. I'm leaving now. Bye, babies. I love you. I love you, Uncle Jason. Uncle Jason. Uncle Jason is still real. Uncle Jason is still real bad. They want him play.
So much play they want to play.
They start getting things to draw. Look how much things they draw.
They don't draw it.
Oh God. They finish. Raina Joe. Guys, I just reached over my mommy house. But my mom in the home, remember, I left her in a Maypen. But my grandmother there. Yeah. Them up there with Jason. My grandmother wash her clothes, them smell good pan the line, you see. Take off my shoes, cause you know that house here clean. Clean till you can't clean no more. My grandmother wash her clothes, them smell so good pan the line. My God. Smell good, man. But my there. So our TV on, nobody now watch your TV. Guys, I'm finally home. I'm sweaty. I just need to go bed and come back. But I bought dinner for everybody. I never buy none for me because I don't know me and this healthy journey. Plus about KFC. Well, zinger for them. Zinger for everybody. But look what I bought for myself. So this is for dinner. Apple, see how them big and them sweet. I test one already. Apple, guinea, and I buy the pear in case, you know, just buy it. Just buy it. Because I say tomorrow morning I could eat it or whatever. But yeah, that's what I bought for myself. I not lie, I eat KFC since I start the journey. Not gonna lie, I drank juice. But you know, me not OD. Like, me not OD, none at all. I'm super hungry, so what I'm gonna do is, because apple normally full my belly. If me eat like a 2 and another fruit, that normally full my belly. But I have papaya in the fridge, so tonight I just a night then I gonna eat some fruit. But me go bed and come back before me eat it, because when you eat on bed, you're hungry. You're hungry bad, but yeah, my bed and come back. So guys, it's time to eat. And them guinea pear, sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Why not eat guinea?
Me eat it, but I don't waste time on certain things. You don't care full belly.
But I eat apple.
Yeah, but...
Here. Here. So you say you never want none.
And you broke my toe.
Babe, me not break your toe.
You keep me on my toe like I have to admit the truth.
How was today?
What do you mean?
Hmm?
What do you mean?
How was today?
It was good. It was real good, huh?
How was babysitting?
As usual, real good.
Babe, how was babysitting?
Real good.
Yes.
Babe, what do you want me to say, babe? Real good. It was alright.
So guys, we never do a lot today. The place is just too crowded, and I don't know if I choose Saturday did a holiday. Everyone me go just full, like people are take care of them business today. So me they just exhausted to stand up in a line and all of them stuff there from standing in line and all of that. But I'm home, everybody belly full. Good morning guys. So it's Tuesday. I did want to finish off the vlog from Monday, but I did tired because I did do a lot of stuff Monday. Couldn't even take out the camera, but good morning. Jason just wake up, me just wake up. So I got this cute little chain from my friend. I bought it from my friend. So I'm gonna put her business page right here on the screen. It's cute. It's Aquarius. Yeah, cute bad. I love it. It feels so good. I like it. So guys, you can go ahead and purchase from her. I always see messages in my DM like, Angel, where you get that chain there? Where you buy that chain there from? So go over to my friend Instagram page, well, her business page, and buy on a chain. It's nice and the material nice. This Aquarius. You know, if you buy this, you can get queen, king, your name, ring, bracelet, everything. She have everything. Just go over there and order from her. So yeah, Jason, put on your phone. Devotion time. Oh, babe, tell them the Bible here. How much? How much?
Yeah, no.
This is Jason's Bible. Babe, you know what I want for my birthday? I want a Bible for myself. A cute little Bible.
You can get
and a case. Yes, I want that.
That alone.
I mean, it doesn't matter. These days when you buy people gift, you just give them something your sister them want. You know?
Yeah.
I want a Bible, a cute little Bible and a case. Because these days, I not like, I know say just a Bible, but I act like a mine. Really, I act like a mine. So what we're going to read this morning? Just like how your mommy tell us, we never put nothing on Bible. Best believe it, me never yet put nothing on the Bible here. Never. Like, if me even see a restaurant sweetie paper there, me I tell her, take it up. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restored my soul. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I'll fear no evil. I want to see my new channel banner. Cute. I love it. My cousin made it for me. If you want somebody to make a channel banner, just link me up, or I'm gonna put her Instagram name in my description box, so you can just go there and link her up and get some super cute channel banner. And she make better than what she make for me. So just link her up and get super cute channel banner. She can make intro, she can make the good stuff, she can make everything, like everything. Just link her up. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end off my vlog right here. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're there a long time, thanks for chat the journey with me. Road to 50K. Bye guys.